Welcome to this new video. This video is regarding OneLake in Microsoft Fabric. So before going to OneLake, we will see the types of data management in OneLake. So first one we are going to see is schema first data management. So schema first data management is like almost doing SQL Server. It is highly structured storage of data. It allows for efficient data retrieval and updates. It is ideal for transaction processing. Example is SQL based data warehousing. So we will have a schema, and with respect to the schema, with respect to that skeleton, we will be creating the table. So the next type of data management which Fabric uses is data force management. That is almost like an example is like data lake. It has a storage of any data. Any data can be stored in this with high volumes and high diverse data. And compared to other one, it is cheaper. The problem is the inconvenience is the structure is needed for many workloads. And Microsoft choose this data first approach to manage all data in Fabric, and this is where OneLake comes into picture. So now we are going to deal with OneLake. So that is the most fundamental concept component of Fabric. It is a central storage in Fabric. It is a data lake. Any data can be stored. It is a structured data is stored in tables. One copy of data can be used to different processing, and same thing, one security is used. And we have OneLake Explorer. It synchronizes OneLake condensed with your PC. It is like OneDrive in Microsoft, where you can synchronize it with your PC. So it is the easiest way to get data in and out of the Fabric. So once you synchronize it with your PC, it will be easy for copying and pasting the different data what you need. So more than that, OneLake file format, it is having a column-based textual files. It is an open format, so highest compression rate is there. Highest compression ratio will be, it uses delta parquet files, which allows for insertion and deletions. So large tables are partitioned into multiple files, and the Fabric organizes and optimizes partitioning automatically. Next, we are going to deal with Fabric Warehouse. It is similar data warehouse. Like data warehouse, you can create warehouse using TSQL. It stores tabular data in Parquet files. SQL Compute Engine works on Parquet file storage. No relation. That is a disadvantage because no relation between tables are defined here. The Fabric Lakehouse data lake storage. It can store any kind of data. As you have seen, the data lake Explorer, you can upload the files, so you can get the data by uploading the files. You can get it by OneLake Explorer. You can use shortcuts, or you can use pipelines and data flows, where you can clean the data and you can get the data. And if you are using Python, you can get the data using notebooks also. So this is a little bit theory of OneLake. Hope it was a useful video. Have a nice day.